Found a picture of Luffy wearing Straw Hat Crew merch. So he's wearing a hoodie with the Straw Hat pirate symbol on it. I thought it was cool. It's like a day off from trying to be king of pirates. What would he wear? This is what he'd wear. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Luffy. So, what a character. Iconic. So we start up here with his head, right? Just up the top and shoulders down, right? So we'll go with the eyebrow first, just like a tick or a check mark. It's kind of thin at the end. He's kind of frowning, looks pretty serious. So there's like some extra little wrinkly lines just there. And Luffy's eyes are pretty easy to draw, right? So you just do, when he's frowning, it kind of comes down from the eyebrow first. So it's like a circle, but like it's a broken up circle into two parts. So like imagine it keeps going and then you just do the bottom. And then just a black pupil in this case. Sometimes they're gray. If he means business, they're gray. But in this case, you know, he's day off. Still looking serious, but day off. And then he's got the scar. There. Same on the other side, basically. So we do check mark for his eyebrow. Couple of little wrinkles around this. And then that circular sort of eye. Longer maybe. Bottom. And then pupil. Again, just kind of looking, just black pupil, looking as forward as we can get it. Right, his nose then. So different to the One Piece nose, but we'll do it this way, why not? Just like that. Sometimes it's like this in One Piece, but not all the time. Just do an extra little line there. And then the nostril, just a dot basically. And then a serious Luffy mouth. Downturned. And then bottom lip, just there. Chin, so sort of a curvy V. And then I think Luffy's face just like gradually curves up. Sometimes, depending on the animator, they give him a jaw, but let's see what happens here. So we'll go this way first. And then it sort of gradually kind of curves up this way. It's kind of like a wine glass sort of shape. I give him just extra thickness on the end of the eyebrow here. Right, so hair. So we've got like sideburn here, just a little V. And then he has the long Luffy hair spikes. So they're kind of just long, black. It's kind of a different style hair, but his hair changes so much. Just coming across his head. And another little one there. And there's some over his ear here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of stick out a little bit here. So like his ears kind of So then this one is kind of underneath this piece of hair, so where's that? Oh yeah, this way. So I just couldn't make it out. And then sort of ear lines in there then. That way. Messy sort of hair spikes. It just ends up going around top of his head. They always kind of remind me of shark fins, or yeah, shark fins really, or dolphin fins or something. Boom. Yeah, so then the hoodie, so it comes out from around his back of his neck, jaw area. It's sort of here, right? It's kind of bumpy. It's a loose fitting sort of thing. And then his neck quite thin inside, so it goes down this way, sort of around. Then we get some neck muscles, and like maybe like a touch of a collarbone there. Just some more folding lines inside. So let's see. So we've got like, there's twine that kind of hangs down here. Well, I'll probably do that last because it kind of comes in contact with the straw hat symbol. So what I'll do, we'll do his shoulders just out here, just roughly coming down that way. Oh, and straw hat. So they kind of do a little extra detail in this. They kind of have a bit, make it look really like a rough straw hat, you know. It's kind of cool. And then so the inside, so we've got these sort of markings, you know, those sort of round textures that kind of follow the hat shape. So then straw hat crew, right? So like we have the roundy, so we'll just do this first. So we'll go sort of round top for the skull. And then the rim of the hat sort of just comes over this. Right, and then it comes around the back of the skull. It looks like Saturn. And then the red part, just there. The page keeps slipping. And then the skull. Oh wait, there's like a rim line, so it's like an edge of the hat line. So then the round skull. Then it comes down. That, it looks like a keyhole. And then the eye, just black circles and a round black nose in between. And then we can just color those. And we got teeth. Simply drawn. And crossbones. So we've got like, yeah, one bone. Cartoon sort of bones. And then it's all sort of fabric, right? So we've got like the folds for his hoodie. So it's like a real loose fitted hoodie, right? So like the chest sort of part kind of goes this way. And there's all these folding lines coming across. Okay, roughly just loose baggy hoodie hanging down. And then we got the little pieces of twine that kind of come out from the holes sort of in the hood here. So you just have these like dark little gaps in the hoodie. And then you have the twine that just hangs down. Simply coming across here. And then there's just like a bumpy knot. And then the sort of bottom of those. You know, the little bit, the loose bit that kind of hangs down. And of course, anything under there you'd erase. All right, Lucy, Luffy, Straw Hat Crew hoodie. Hope it's helpful. Selling his merch. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.